believe I heard someone say, free pizza?
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of coupons for one free cosmic crust pizza.
What? The evasive mission, Clank. Cardboard crust does not qualify as a primary mission. If it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of tentacle! Using evasive options. The only evasive option I need is Mr. Throttle! Perhaps an alternate course of action. Not done yet! So, do we need to discuss the giant tentacle that just tried to yank us into oblivion?
Curious. It emerged from a short-term interdimensional portal.
Portal technology? Imagine what we could do with that.
The well-fortified... No, Ratchet, you promised.
Come on, Clank, this will be fun.
For you, yes. Your activities always take precedence over mine.
Okay, not true. I mean, yeah, look, what about that time, okay, and it's gonna be quick. We'll just fly in, take a quick look, see what...
The well-fortified, nigh-impervious base of galactic supervillain, Dr. Nefarious? Oh, dear.
Downright nasty. The land where robots grow body hair. Acidity interdimensional. As I was saying, the pizza bird.
Once we safely...
Oh, come on. Let's give me another chance. I can be a sassy pizza cow. Ooh.
Ugh. Whenever we run into this doofus, he messes everything up.
He annoys you, does he? Wreak havoc on the very fabric of time and space.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
But it's...
Wonder if they need obliterated.
Hey, watch it!
Whoops, my bad, Bruce. What's that pales in comparison to this bad boy? Come on, don't say that. Words hurt, nothing to your new spokesman. Well, hello there, little pizza toppings. You all look so happy and yummy. Same with you. And you. And you. No one likes pineapple on pizza.
I am King Topping.
Quark! What did you do? What are you doing?
It is called pulling a ratchet. Entry port located.
Nice move, Fight. You're almost there. Just a little too right.
Oh, a revolution in Evotech. I present to you... Cardboard Quark, return my portalizer, you pathetic promotional item gone awry.
Oh, my pizza coupon.
Oh, scrappy butt. I should have known you wouldn't be far from your furball friend. For interrupting my product launch, you will be the first to suffer a very painful annihilation. Any last words? You're ruining my space station!
Dad, I'm not your best friend. I'm his evil clone.
Oh!
We have to go back.
You're ruining my space station!
Dad, I'm not your best friend. I'm his evil clone.
Wait, Ratchet, we have to go back.
Why? So you can get this?
My pizza coupon.
Grabbed it on the way out. You didn't think I'd forget about you fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals, did you? How dare you created?
You're welcome, citizen.
Yeah, what a bum.
From Hungry Lombaxes.
Yeah, well, I guess a free cosmic crust pizza is better than no pizza at all.
To make that free and numerically satisfying cosmic crust pizza.
Proximity alert.
You did that on purpose.
Sorry.